Hello viewers, this Now Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll show you a neat little gadget I picked up that'll fix a problem that everybody have experienced if you wash your own car. Now if you wash your car, I'm pretty sure most of you have experienced the water hose getting stuck underneath the tire when you're moving the hose around the vehicle. This is really annoying because you have to walk back to the tire, pull the hose out, and then straighten the hose again. Well, I found this really neat gadget on Amazon that'll fix this problem. Right here is a hose guide. What you do with this is place this underneath the corner of your tire, and when you have the hose wrapped around this corner, it'll run across this roller you see right here. So the hose will not have the problem of getting stuck underneath the tire. It's a very simple device, but it works great. This entire piece is made of plastic, very lightweight, and you don't have to worry about it rusting. And they've also included a little hole you can hang on a wall with a plastic guide. It spins freely. And this one I bought comes in 4 pieces, so you can put one at each corner. To use it is very simple. Just place this on the corner of each tire. Now when I'm pulling the hose, you see it glide right across the tire. And when you're done using it, simply remove it. You can put it away and then bring it out next time you need it. This little gadget is very simple, but it solves a problem that I'm sure everybody have experienced. Now if you want to buy this, you can buy it in a set of 2 or a set of 4. The set of 2 retails for $10 and a set of 4 retails for $15. Check out the link below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.